Can't you create covers on Suno anymore? Are you getting errors even with your own songs? Suno has now become stricter with copyright. In this video, I'm going to show you a method that nobody else is teaching on YouTube, so you can make covers and monetize them. We're going to do it with a very famous song, Chicago, You're the Inspiration. 1. Take a melody and keep only the chords. Go to the MIDI file and do it the way you see on the screen, then export it as audio. You can do it with many bars, for example, 64. But if you get a copyright warning in Suno, try using fewer bars, 32. If it still happens, try 16, 8, etc. 2. Import it into Suno. Choose a prompt in the style you want, select several bars, and click Cover. Try to use prompts with similar BPMs, it will give you better results. But if that's not possible, and you want to use very different BPM styles, and want to know how to do it without the acapella sounding like they're running over a rabbit, leave a comment. If there are many comments asking me to make a video, I'll record it. By the way, I get all the prompts for my videos from Suno Prompt Blueprint. If you want to get them, I'll leave the link in the description and in the pinned comment. When you've finished creating the song, listen to it, and if you like it, it's ready to export. You can try different prompts in different styles to see which one you like best. Download a cover from YouTube. Go to YouTube, search for the song you like and the cover, then use a tool to download audio from YouTube and click download. You can also download just the acapella cover if it's available. Let's see what tempo and key the cover is in. Go to the page tunebat.com/analyzer. If it's a cover, you import it into your DAW and export the acapella. If your DAW doesn't have that option, you can use Audimee Isolate. It gives you several minutes free.
It's meant to be.
We return to Suno and download the instrumental we created. We do the same as with the acapella. We go to TuneBat Analyzer and measure tempo and pitch. Drag the instrumental file into your production program. So, we've said the instrumental is in B flat major and the vocals are in D major. I imported the acapella into Audimee to put the vocals in tune. We need to lower the pitch by 4 semitones to get them in tune. If you're unsure about semitones, go to ChatGPT and enter exactly that. My instrumental is in B and my acapella is in C. What do I have to do? And it will tell you. Download the acapella, open your DAW, and add the acapella alongside the instrumental. You'll need to adjust it and edit the vocals to fit the parts of the song you want. Something can happen. Sometimes, even if you tune the acapella, it might still be slightly off key and sound off. I'll adjust the pitch settings in your audio editor to get it perfect. All that's left is monetizing it, and we'll cover that in the next video. Which platform is best for covers, how to upload, what you can and can't do, where you can and can't monetize, and how to do it step by step. Subscribe.